Oh no, where'd she go?
Oh, no, you
My hair. My hair.
What's up there?
Your mullet. Shut up.
Molotov?
Mullet. Puppy. Does it look better already, Dan?
Yes, sir. What'd you do to that one spot?
What? What one spot?
Oh, you took your hair for right up here. Look at that. It's a huge bald spot
No,
right there.
Dan, look. That's because she's got neck hair there.
But why doesn't she have neck hair at the other spot?
Because the neck hair, look where how it grows. See?
Oh my god.
And there. See that?
She messed up my hair.
There's a huge chunk out of her hair though. That's not
It's
right.
not, Dan.
It is?
No, he's trying to scare you. Stop it, Dan, or she won't let me finish, or I'm going to stab you in the eye with these scissors.
You need to chill out.